Hi, this is Meir. I'm doing a day trading recap. Today is November 25th, Monday. I traded two tickers today, NVDA and ROKU. NVDA was a good trade, but I'm really upset. I mean, I don't have what to be upset. I followed my rules. That's fine. So NVDA on the daily gapped up. It got an upgrade. It was really consolidating. It was pretty obvious that it's going to gap at it's going to move up at some point. This was strong consolidation. This was the earnings. As you can see, the volume was very high on this day here on the 15th. It came down, but it really moved back up. Then the following day, it just engulfed. So this was strength, all strength, moving up slowly, higher highs on the daily. And it was just a question when it's going to break this 213, 212, 213, 250, when it was going to break this level. So Morgan Stanley upgraded it, and that was the difference maker. They gave it the push. It gapped up 2.5%. It opened up at 216. So I was looking at this for a long. So what happened was it opened up, it dropped about $1, I'd say. On the way up, I took it long at the 1 minute chart, got filled at 215.73, or maybe no, that was on Roku. Got filled, let's say at 216-ish, I'm not sure exactly. Popped up, sold into 216.50, sold more into towards 217. I was getting really aggressive with the sellings over here, and I still had like almost half, I would say like 40% of my position, and I was going to be patient and wait for it to break up here to 217.50, but it came back after to get up my break even. So this was the first trade. My second trade, then I went right over to Roku. Roku was also long. There was good news on Disney, which would help Roku because Disney Plus, they had some kind of movie yesterday, which really did really well in the box office. So it gapped up. The daily was strong, as you can see here. So this is the uptrend. Pull back a little bit, and that was moving higher. It opened up with a gap, gapped up by a couple percent. It had pretty good volume, so I was looking to get long on this stock. I wasn't watching it right at the open, as I was busy trading NVDA, but here it sold off, and I saw this engulfing. So I got long here at 160. I wasn't too sure about this entry because I was waiting maybe to get a pullback. As you see, it did pull back. This would have been a better entry maybe. Here I got filled at 160.73. Popped up, I sold. Here I was getting aggressive, 161. I took off a couple times because it really wasn't breaking through, and it's right at the open. I'm changing the momentum, trading to get the breakthrough right away here. Covered at 161.50, and near 162. Here I thought it was going to break 162. I saw a tremendous ask. It was maybe 30. Someone was offering at 162, like 30,000 shares maybe. So I still had here a little bit, and I was hoping that it looked like it was gonna eat up that offer quickly and it was gonna pop above. But it turned out that offer wasn't filled, and it came down. I had to get out of break even. So I was trying to work on my patience, waiting for the break up and looking at the tape and trying to read it. So obviously it did not go the way I anticipated, but that's okay. All in all, pretty good day. I didn't get this follow through. This bothers me. Roku was okay. I end up like 1.5 hour about, which is a good day. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a wonderful day.